everybody, this is Jim with Perfect Fitting Shoes, continuing my video series telling you about my journey in the process of learning how to make shoes. This right here are some shoes that I made after I learned the importance of having a factory that had a price point that was acceptable to your marketing needs. The last factory, the shoes were being priced at well over $200 a pair at the factory. So after that, I realized I needed to find a factory that made a lower price product, but still high quality. So I looked around. I found this factory called Warlock, who I met through the gentleman's father, who was selling me leather for another project where I was making boots for a Paris company, shipping product to France for them while I was living down in Mexico. While I was down there, I found this factory. He had a great shoe that I thought I could adapt my adjustability feature in the back to his shoe, because he had basically this shoe, as you see here, then that would retail for about $20. So I saw it and I thought, hey, that's a great price point. If my price point's a little bit higher, then that's a great shoe for me to be able to start my first collection into the marketplace. So I took his existing model, I adapted it in the back, put a heel adjustable feature in the back, did my thing, and a couple of different versions. These are all full grain leather uppers. And basically my price point on these after my modification was about $25 a pair. So I was very happy when I saw that price, because I thought that's something I could easily sell to the marketplace in the United States and make a good run with the business. So I did those and I wanted to test them out, and I thought, well, since I liked wearing exotic leather in the aqua check line, let me do some exotic skin leather on these. And I did. And you can see the lizard right here, and you can see python. I got lots of compliments on the python. Never really wore the lizard because they would crack. And that's been my biggest problem. They would crack. These haven't been worn, so there is no cracking. But what happens is, as the shoe flexes, it breaks along that line and it cracks. Now these shoes are genuine python. I spent a lot of money getting the python to make these shoes because I wanted to wear something that would be attractive or eye-catching to people, and I've gotten lots of compliments on these shoes. But I don't wear them as much because I'm afraid that they'll, get damaged due to water, so going up through the sole and get my feet wet and stuff like that. So I don't wear them as much, but I still wear them. I love them because they are comfortable. They're super comfortable. They're very functional with the heel grip and the adjustability over the instep. But I can't sell them because the soles would crack, and I want to be able to offer like a 1-year guarantee on the manufacturing of the product. So if I'm going to sell it, I need to be able to have confidence that I can go to sleep and know that the buying public's not going to be wanting to call me and complain about the products that they just bought. So I am someone that cares about my customers, and I will not sell something before it's time, before it's proven that it's a workable product. My next collection, or the collection that I am going to offer to the marketplace, the Matrix collection, has been tested, has been proven to be durable and long-lasting. So my next videos you'll see where I talk about that line and the benefits of wearing perfect fitting shoes. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to sharing my information with you, and I enjoy making these videos for you. I hope everybody out there stays safe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much. Stay safe. Bye-bye.